Now we come to, on the right hand column, you see, what do you see, brother? Names of masculine names. I'm going to tell you a couple of new things. Okay? You just will try to remember, inshallah. See, all the masculine names have tanween at the end. Remember, I told you, an Arabic noun in its natural form is always marfu. Is always marfu. Okay? So when you say Muhammad, it is Muhammadun. When you say Khalid, it's Khalidun. When you say Hamid, it's Hamidun. When you say Yasir, Yasirun. And when you say Ammar, it is Ammarun. And when you say Sa'id, Sa'idun. And when you say Ali, Aliyun. And when you say Abbas, Abbasun. Got the idea, brother and sister? Now, on your left hand side, you have Muannas, feminine names. Okay? Asmaul Muannas. Okay? What is it, brother? Do you see the difference? That there is no tanween. Aminatu, Zainabu, Aishatu, Fatimatu. I also, when I thought, I said, why is it Aminatu and not Aminatun? Then I realized, brother, men are very strong. They can carry two dhammas. Sisters are weaker than men. They cannot carry two dhammas. They can barely handle one dhamma. So that is what it is. One dhamma at the end of a noun of a female, and two dhammas at the end of the noun of a man. Later on we will learn that Aminatu does not decline as Muhammadun. Are you with me? Okay? It does not decline. Normal way. Huh? Now I'm sure you are strong. You have understood that dun dan din business. Okay? So we say Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. Khalidun, Khalidan, Khalidin. Hamidun, Hamidan, Hamidin. How about Amina? Aminatu. Next one, Aminata. And next one, Aminata again. It will not take kasra. Even when it is majroor, brother? Even if it is majroor, brother Muhammad, it will still show fatah. Now this is something new. I will be repeating it many times. So inshallah, you will understand it. The thing that you should keep it in mind, two things, brother. I'm writing in English first. Later on, we'll switch on to the Arabic. If the noun, if it declines completely in three cases, which is marfu, mansub, and majroor properly, dun, dhan, then properly, we say it is triptote. We say it is triptote. Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. Complete declension. Are you with me, brother? Marfu, mansub, majroor, proper dhamma, fatha, and kasra. Come to Amina. It is Aminatu, Aminata, and again Aminata. It did not decline fully. It declined a little bit and stopped. Are you with me, brother? Aminatu, Aminata, and again Aminata. The noun that declines but not fully, we call it diptote. So we call it diptote. Okay? These are the terms which the Western scholars of Arabic, they have given from English language point of view. If I say the noun is triptote, it means it declines fully. Are you with me? Kitabun, kitaban, kitabin, bin. Bun, ban, bin. Are you with me? But when you come to Zainabu, Zainaba, and again, Zainaba again. Why? Because the noun is diptote. Are you with me? So when it is triptote, brother and sister, it means it declines fully. Dun, dan, din. And when it is diptote, it goes to dun, then dan, then stays at a dan. But we will still call it majroor. And that we will learn soon, inshallah. Fine. So in every lesson, we are going to learn some new grammar rule which will help us to understand the language better and in more detail, inshallah. Okay.